Welcome back to our channel Nursery to Varsity. I am very excited about today's video as we are going to look at a very interesting use case of sentiment analysis. So for those who don't understand what is the sentiment analysis, let me explain. Basically, this is an automated process of understanding an opinion about a given subject from the written language. So in today's world, where we have many social media platforms like the Facebook and Twitter, where people express their opinion about a particular subject, and this can be useful for many industries. So let's begin today's topic. Ingest the IPL trade with Streamsets. So all you know that IPL has just started, and I'm very big fan of the IPL. So what I was thinking, how to get all this hashtag IPL to my system and can do the post analysis. Now when we talk about the sentiment analysis, bringing the data to our system or our bucket is very important, right? How you achieve that, and this is very big piece in whole project. So I'm going to specifically talk about bringing the data to any social platform to your bucket where you can do the post analysis. How we are going to do that with the help of Streamsets. So let's get started. Let me increase the font. So in last video we have seen how to install the Streamset data collector. So I'm just going to start the process, and then we'll proceed further. So I'm running this on Mac computer. I'm just starting this process. Now we'll go to this UI. Okay, let's log into our SDC instance. Let's create a new pipeline called IPL. Okay. So in order to ingest this IPL data, we need HTTP origin. So the terminology go for this particular product is like we have few origin, like where we want to fetch the data, and then we have some destination where we want to move this data, and in between we have certain processor and different stages where we can transform this data. So for now, in order to ingest this, we need HTTP origin. I will go ahead and just get this. So this is drag and drop UI, like you can select the different origin or the destination as you want. So let's go ahead and look at the configuration. So another piece where in order to get the Twitter hashtag and Twitter data, we need to create Twitter developer account. You can just go to this link developer.twitter.com and create account for yourself. And once you create your account, you can go to your apps. And then create an app. So I have already created a dummy app for this tutorial. When you click on this, you will have all this information and keys and tokens. So this is important part. In order to get this data, we need certain credential. When you click on this, you will get the keys and tokens. Of course, I am not clicking right now, but in HTTP client processor, what we need to do is we need to select the authentication. That would be the OAuth. So once you select this, you will see the credential tab is opening up. What you need to do is just fill all this 4 information, which you can get it from the app area. So what I did is just added my credential here. As I mentioned, you can get it from that your app's token and keys, and just fill out this detail. Once this is done, what else we need to do is we need to define the destination where we want to store this data which we are collecting from the Twitter. So I will go ahead and use the local address. So I will store it to my local system again. So see, the advantage is like you can define the what kind of the format of that file would be, and here I want to restore it in JSON. I can select the different data format altogether here. Again, another thing is, I just mentioned I want to collect all the hashtag IPL. So this is basically Twitter API. I will share the link and you can just go ahead and read about it. It's just like what you want. According to use case, you can figure out what API, what the curl you need to form in order to get the particular data. So another thing is like, so there are few options like where you want to send this error report. For now, I wanted to discard this. And now we can do a quick preview. So let's go ahead and run that. Okay, so we are getting the error of the maximum length. And so why is that? Because Twitter allows you to have certain length of that message, right? And right now, if you see our configuration, the max length is set to 4096. Yeah. So what I will do is I will just increase this. Let's say something. Let's rerun the preview. Here we go. So this is live tweet coming from the Twitter, as you can see. So let's stop this preview and run this pipeline for a while. So this is the real-time tweets we are collecting and putting into our local file system. As you can see, it gives you the nice metrics, like how many records have been processed, and if there is any error, you can see here metrics and so many insight you can gather from particularly this metric. So I will just stop this. So the whole purpose of this video is to explain how easy it is to collect this data. So even we didn't have wrote a single line of code to collect this data. So that's the power of this Streamset tool, which I wanted to demonstrate. I will just go ahead and stop this pipeline for now, and then we look into this 10 records which is collected. So let's see where this is going to store. So this will go in temp out directory. So we are back to our terminal. Let me increase my phone. As we see, all this data is going to capture in my local temp directory. So I will go to temp out. Let's see. Yeah, we have this directory created, and here we have the file. So if I just do the vi to this file, this will contain all the JSON file, the complete tweets. So this is all for today's lecture. Hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have any queries, you can either comment in the comment box or mail us at the nursery2varsity@gmail.com. You can follow us on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn and Instagram. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.